Hi there, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is all about how we transformed this old store, adding and removing things here and there when necessary to bring it to look like this drawing here, which later transformed into a modern day office complex. Follow us through the process. So the roof of choice was a shared roof, and this implied raising the blocks at the front to extra 2 or 3 courses of blocks, and then sloping it backwards to help get a good slope for the roof. And this led to removing the first roof that was on the building and then adding the blocks, re-roofing it to fit. After this was done, the next thing we did here was to change the ceiling. Okay, what we had here initially was a PVC, and we had to change it to a POP ceiling. And this is the process of molding the POP and of course hanging them. And of course we had to rewire the whole place. The electrical jobs had to be redone to have more sockets and of course other outlets that will be needed in a modern day office. That's interesting. This also implied removing and closing some of the doors that we considered would not be necessary in a modern day office. Had been completed with the rain collector.
Nonsense and ingredients then.
So at this point, the retiling of the entire space was ongoing. The inside tiling had already been completed, while we needed to tile the veranda to do 2 things. 1, to ensure that that place is always neat. 2, to raise it up a little bit to ensure that, because normally when it rains, there are some puddles of water around this area. So we needed to raise it up a little bit to ensure that that doesn't come into the office at any time. So that is the work we are doing right here. So at this point, most of the internal jobs had been done, the screeding completed, and it was remaining to put the electrical fittings. You can see our choice of burglary proof, which was informed because of the use of space. So we did this to ensure that the burglary proof does not occupy unnecessary space in the office when opened. And yeah, the retiling of the toilet was yet to be done here. So most part of the inside of the office had been done, and the screening was in progress. So this is us doing the outside screening, trying to perfect all perfections to ensure that the work comes out very neat and cute when completed.
No, the only thing we're going to for revenue. Renovation.
So at this point, most of the electrical fittings had been put in place, and we're test running them, trying to see how well they were fitted, and if there was any amendment that needed to be done, it will be taken care of. So that is what is ongoing here. Testing all the electrical fittings and putting every other thing in place, ensuring that everything works well. You can see the puddle of water I talked about before and how close it got to the tiling we did. So that is that. This now is the inside, trying to fix the furniture and place other things in place, trying to ensure that everything is well arranged according to the original plan. So for the records, this is Umek Real Estate Construction Services Limited new office in Port Harcourt. So you can see our team working tirelessly to get the place ready for business. So you can call on us any day for your business, for your building design, architectural design, building construction, project management, and consultancy at this our office location. You can reach us on phone or email. Please check the link on the video for more details. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like our videos, comment, and subscribe to our channel as we continue to give you all it will take to bring that your dream home into reality. See you in our next vlog.